Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the orange pepper chicken. This was absolutely moist and delicious. Let's jump right into this video. So there I would have already washed my chicken, and these are the rest of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, so we are going to add to a bowl some mayo and a little bit of mustard. Then we are going to add our dry ingredients and mix that well. Make sure everything is really well combined. Then we are going to zest 1/2 of an orange into the mixture and continue to mix. You can also adjust the flavoring of the mixture. And then we are going to lather that right over the chicken. Make sure to get all the crease and the crevices of this chicken, guys. We're going up under the skin. You guys are going to need a pair of gloves for this one. Mayo actually helps your meat to be really juicy. So you already know what this is gonna be. Just saying. Alright, so let that sit. So I need to show you guys the orange pepper that I use. I'm just sprinkling a little bit over. There it is, before I let it sit for about 2 hours. Then we're going to bake this in a 375 degrees oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. You're going to cover the wings with a piece of foil paper, which I removed and did. And this is what the chicken looks like. You're going to pour the remainder of the juice right over the chicken. Alright, this was absolutely delicious, guys. It was moist. It has so much flavor. Alright, from the orange and the pepper. So if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.